Okay, let's talk about skincare for makeup. Guys, this is something that a lot of people are struggling with. The thing that I see a lot of people doing that's a mistake is that they do skincare for makeup like they're doing their regular skincare. And to be honest with you, when you do that, that's where you're going to get peeling, you're going to get shedding, you're going to get separation, you're going to get your makeup looking cakey, patchy, all kinds of stuff. The reason is because makeup that is designed for treatment oftentimes does not go well with makeup. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do both. Achieve your skincare goal and also making your makeup still look flawless. But in order to achieve that, these are the things that you need to do. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you're prepping your skin well. My skin is freshly washed. I just washed it with my Exuviance AHA cleanser. Now I'm going in with my daily exfoliating pad. These are very important when it comes to skincare as well as makeup. Look at how it makes my skin look. You already see the glow that it adds to my skin. The next thing that you want to do is add a serum. Yes, add a serum, guys. It plays the most important role when it comes to hydration. A lot of people just go straight to moisturizer. While moisturizers are really good for hydration, serum is even better. Why? Because it penetrates the skin even more than a moisturizer does. This right here is the serum that I love. I'll tell you why I love it. One, not only does it give me the glow to my skin, but it actually targets certain signs of aging. This is where my skincare and my makeup are going to love each other. Guys, it works as a grip-in primer. Look. With this product, you're getting skincare and a primer in one. Next thing you want to do is go in with your eye cream. I always love eye cream. And I will tell you this, a lot of times people do not hydrate under their eyes. The things that they're doing right now is those eye patches, and that's all that they're doing, guys. But eye patches are not designed to replace your eye cream. Don't ever think it is. Don't do that. Hydrate your under eye. Hydrated skin is what makes your skin looks more youthful and more plumped. And my favorite is the Neutrogena. Love it. And I'm going to let that just do its thing and soak underneath that eye area and around the nose and laugh lines. My ultimate favorite thing is this right here, guys. This, the Pro Plumping Moisturizer. It's a crime. You know, this right here, they need to get to Exuviance right here and lock them up. Why? It should be illegal to create something so amazing. This stuff. Oh, look at my skin. And don't you ever forget your SPF. A lot of times people might say, this is just too much product. And it is. It's a lot of product that you're putting on. But remember, I am a makeup artist. So when I put my makeup on, I'll be at work 9 hours. When I put my makeup on, it's for it to last. Next thing a lot of people do, they forget their lips. And then you have to get a lip mask. Then you have to get a lip exfoliator. Guys, hydrate your lips. They are important too. And this is what I like to do. I go in with my e.l.f. setting spray and I set all of my skincare. And this is what my skin looks like before I put my makeup on. And see, once the skincare is perfect, the makeup is always going to look flawless. Okay, guys, that is how you prep your skin for makeup. If you enjoyed it and you felt like you learned something, go ahead and save this video and follow for more skincare tips.